Hey, so today on Tuesday's Tips, we wanted to talk about the changes in our economy and how that's affecting Real Turf Solutions. So, as you can tell, it's summertime, we're busy, things are crazy as far as the economy, we're still low interest rates, those things. And so what that has done at Real Turf Solutions, that's provided us with a wonderful opportunity. We know as we get closer to the end of the unemployment information and the changes in the unemployment situation, we know that there are a lot of people that are out there looking for jobs. And so we wanted to talk to you about some opportunities here at Real Turf Solutions. And so we're looking for some new, fresh faces to add to our team. Some dedicated team members that'll come alongside of us and will work with us in developing and providing quality service to our customers. We're looking for those people who have ethics and morals, those who are willing to get out there and get it done and work hard and provide the effort to make beautiful landscapes here in Middle Georgia. And so we're looking to add those people to our team. We've got some positions open that are very entry-level positions all the way to some project manager positions that are a little bit more specific in the industry and detailed in the industry. We've got some lawn maintenance technicians, which are guys that cut grass and mow and edge and weed eat. We've got some installation positions open that are installation crew leaders and instructors, and also some team members there to be able to build and create and design landscapes, hardscape projects, fire pits, walls, water features, all those things. And then we're also have some opening in our management team where we're looking for some project managers, those folks that can take a plan and a design that's been created by our landscape team, design team, and then actually get out there and get those projects installed and manage those crews that are installing those projects. So we're looking for some of those folks to be able to come in and come alongside of our team. Our team is a pretty well or a diverse team. We've got a good group of folks in our management team and also in our field. And so as our company grows and our company begins to get larger, we are needing some of those folks to come alongside. Some of the benefits that we bring to Real Turf Solutions at Real Turf Solutions is we're able to provide you with year-round employment. A lot of places in the landscape industry go, well, hey, I can work for 4 or 5 months or 2 or 3 months or whatever. Here at Real Turf Solutions, we try to offer all of our team full-time employment. That typically is 4 days, 5 days a week. Once you've been here after a certain period of time, we do offer other benefits like insurance, a retirement plan, holiday pay, vacation pay after you've been here for a period of time. We also have a new incentive program, so as the company grows and the profits of the company grow, we also give some of that profit back to our employees through our incentive program as well. And so if you are looking for a job or you know someone who is interested in the landscape industry or in the construction industry in this particular area, please have them give us a call and reach out to us and let us know. Again, we're looking for those people that are really ready to work and ready to get it done. And we're looking for good folks to come alongside and to join our team. So if you know someone or if you're that person, give us a call. You can place your application on our Facebook page. You can go to our website, or you can also call the office and come in for an interview. So we look forward to seeing you or hearing from you in the near future.